2006 Ford F-150 Lariat, powered by the 5.0-liter V8 Triton engine, 5.43 valve with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, a medium blue exterior with the tan here at the bottom two-tone, Ford chrome running boards with a Ford bedliner. Lots of money can be made with this 2006 Ford F-150 if you choose to put her to work. Wrangler Goodyear tires, these are 20s, beautiful rims. The exterior is near flawless. This does come with the spare tire, as well as the factory tow package with backup sensors. Look at how clean this truck is, guys. 2006 Ford F-150 Lariat quad cab, that's full 4 doors, crew cab here. Inside is a medium tan plush leather interior. I was shocked when I saw how clean the truck's interior was. You can tell that the owners of this truck have had a lot of pride in taking care of their vehicle. This does seat 5 adults. Beautiful tan interior on this stunning 2006 F-150 Lariat. Stop in and see us today. Abbey Auto Sales and Service, 13800 US 19 in Hudson, Florida. Make it a great day.